Good morning. Yep, it's that time. Leslie's leaving today. It's raining. It's not raining hard, it's just misting at the moment. So anyway, she is loaded up and ready to go. This morning for breakfast, I am eating one of those McMuffins that I made. I just wrapped it up in parchment paper. This one looks like it has jalapeno cheese on it. I'm going to put it in the microwave. All right, let's look at it. Yum. That looks yummy, yummy. It's still too hot to take a bite, but that's what's for breakfast this morning. Meal prepped sausage, cheese, McMuffin. Well, the weather has cleared up a little bit. It quit raining. It's still very cloudy, but I thought I would go ahead and take this opportunity to go dump and get water. I don't remember what the size of my gray water tank is or my black water tank is. You know, when I bought this back when, they told me, but I can't remember. But it's not great. It's not big. It can't be. It's a truck camper. And I've done dishes several times, full-blown dishes. And I've also I've had a shower and just several days of using the water. So I'm gonna go dump, and while I'm all disconnected and unhooked and all that, because I don't have water here, but I have electricity here. Yay. I'm gonna go into Grant's because I forgot 2 things at the at Walmart the other day. Bananas. And I need to go to the post office. I need to mail a letter. It's not really a letter. I need to mail something. And I need stamps. So I'm going to go. I think there's a little post office in this little town here. So I'm going to go there and see if I can't get a book of stamps. And I was saying what I forgot at Walmart was bananas. I don't do well without bananas. I try to eat at least a half a banana or a whole banana, depending on size, every day. Gives me a little boost of energy first thing in the morning. Or I feel like it does anyway. And I love my bananas, and I didn't get bananas for some reason. It did not end up on my pickup order. Not that Walmart messed up. I didn't put it in my order, which is really weird. I think you should have a standing order every time and take stuff off versus having to add it every time. But yeah, I go through all my list. Somehow I just did not do bananas. Today's Monday. There's like 4 people at the dump station. So I'm not going to dump right now. Do that on the way back. But anyway, I'm going to go into Grant's. I think I've eaten at a Mexican food place there. Ooh. I haven't had Mexican food in a long time. Once you have sushi, you have to follow it up with Mexican food. You got to get back on here. Anyway, so I'm going to town. Okay, gonna go into Smith's and get my bananas. Not going to Walmart. Got me some bagels, some bananas, some baby wipes. They all start with B. And now I need some cream cheese. Cream cheese. Going to the post office. Whew. So we are on Route 66, and you can drive through this. I wish they didn't have the thing, the height thing, because I could pull my camper up there and get a picture of it, but not drive through. But anyway, isn't that cool? And I just drove by here, and there was an old car parked here, and the guy and the lady, they were dressed up in like in the 60s. So that was so cool. And I was gonna come over here and get a picture, but they already left. Dang it. Dang it. Grants, New Mexico. That'd been cool to have a picture of my truck camper right there, but how's this? As good as I can get. Alright. 1912 Market. That looks like a cool place to eat. Should have went there. Oh well. Next time. Next time, 1912 Market. I'm assuming, well, maybe that's a, well, it says coffee. I don't really know what that is. I'll have to look it up, if it's a market or if it's a place to eat. There's Sammy. There's Sammy. Ready to go back to camp? I think we're done here. They got these cool, I don't know what you call them, discs. It's their artwork all through town. It's pretty cool. Alright. Leaving Grants, New Mexico. I think that mountain over there has snow on it. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah. Huh. Pretty cool. I was just saying a little while ago, I haven't seen any wild horses, but there they are. So the New Mexico Department Game and Fish stock hybrid tiger muskie, I don't know this word, tiger muskie into the lake to control rogue fish. To maintain the population, the bag limit is 1 fish over 40 inches. You are encouraged to release all tiger muskies. So I've never seen or caught a tiger muskie. I wonder what they like. Might have to go fishing and try to catch one. There's some wild horses. See the horses, Sammy? See the horses? Oh, there's some over here too, and a pony. And a pony. There's a pony.